Ang bahay na ito na ganito kasosyal ay tinayo lang in just 2 weeks. And you won't believe na ganito pala ang ginawa ng business owner na ito para makapagpatayo ng apartments, warehouse, and even villas na sobrang bilis, sobrang mura, at walang hassle. Imagine this, may lupa ka na at gusto mong magpatayo ng bahay o negosyo, pero naghe-hesitate ka kasi alam mo kung gaano kahirap. May mga contractor na pagkakatiwalaan mo, tapos biglang mawawala. Smart House Philippines is built differently. With Smart House Philippines, you're gonna get high-quality, patented modular designs. Hindi lang basta-basta ang prefabrication nito, pero pinag-aralan ito na designs na matibay at mabilis itayo. Dito, wala pang 2 linggo, buo na ang bahay mo. And here's the crazy part, customizable at scalable pa. From affordable homes to luxury villas, from warehouses to commercial buildings, lahat pwede nilang gawin. Smart House Philippines has engineers, architects, installers, and manufacturing facilities to ensure that everything is built properly. If you want a home, an investment, or a commercial building na sure na tapos, matibay, at hindi lalampas sa budget mo, this is it. So, ready ka na bang magpatayo ng bahay o negosyo in just 2 weeks? You can visit one of the Smart Warehouses showroom nila in Manila, Cebu, Iloilo, at Davao, or check them out on the links below.